Inverter.
Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. The title of the project is The Diagnosis of Chronic Liver Disease Using Machine Learning Techniques. And the abstract of the project is data mining is one of the most critical aspects of automated disease diagnosis and disease prediction. It involves data mining algorithms and techniques to analyze medical data. In recent years, liver disorders have excessively increased and liver diseases are becoming one of the most fatal diseases in several countries. Chronic liver disease is also considered to be one of the deadly disease. So earlier detection and treatment can recover the disease easily due to rapid and advanced in artificial intelligence like various machine learning algorithms. This will improve the lifespan of patients suffering from chronic liver hepatitis C disease in early stages. This work is based on liver disease prediction by using machine learning algorithms. Liver disease prediction has various levels of steps involved: pre-processing, feature selection, and classification. Our experimental results shows that accuracy improved over traditional classification techniques. The system is feasible and faster and more accurate for diagnosis of liver disease. And the flow diagram of the project is: first we need to start the program and select the Indian liver disease patient dataset, and after that it will implement it into pre-processing method. In pre-processing we need to clean our dataset. In cleaning process we need to check the missing values and null values in our dataset. If it is contains any missing value or null value in our dataset, we need to replace the missing a null value in the unique value of 0, and after that it will apply into feature selection. In feature selection, the chi-square algorithm is implemented and select the best features from our dataset, and after we need to choose the independent and dependent variable and split the dataset into training dataset and testing dataset. After splitting, it will be implemented into classification method. In classification we are using two machine learning algorithms like decision tree algorithm and random forest algorithm, and finally we need to predict the liver disease prediction and generate the result based on accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 measure. I am going to run my project in Anaconda Navigator Spider IDE, and these are all the output for liver disease prediction. In that I have to use the Indian liver disease patient dataset, and this is the sample dataset of sample visualization of the dataset, and this is the information about the dataset. In that it will show the data type for every columns in our dataset, and in that it will describe our dataset based on the count value, mean value, standard value, minimum value to maximum value for every columns in our consisting in our dataset. And this is the chi-square algorithm visualization. It will show the best features in our datasets based on the columns. And this is the count rate of the deceased patient and non-deceased patient of liver cancer. And this is the count rate of gender prediction based on male and females. And this is the pie chart. And this is the overall correlation diagram of our dataset. And this is the classification part. In that I will implement the decision tree algorithm, and decision tree algorithm achieves 81%. And this is the classification report of decision tree algorithm. It will show the precision, recall, and F1 score value for the diseased and non-diseased patient, and it will precision is the number of correct prediction, recall is the number of correct instance of prediction, F1 score means it will measure the test accuracy. And this is the confusion matrix diagram for the decision tree algorithm, which is shows the diseased and non-diseased patient, and this is the number, the 56 and 79 is the correct prediction, 25 and 6 is the misclassification of the decision tree algorithm. And this is the final algorithm of random forest algorithm, and random forest algorithm achieves 86% of accuracy. And these are all the classification report of random forest algorithm. And this is the confusion matrix for random forest algorithm. It will conclude the overall number of correct predictions and overall number of misclassification through the random forest algorithm. And this is the comparison graph between the decision tree algorithm and random forest algorithm. And these are all the variable results that we are obtained from our algorithms and also obtained from our source code.